exporters and importers. We already are into exports and imports. Generally, here people here are into agriculture, perishable, non-perishable products, commodities, rice, pulses, FMCG products. We are into distribution also, reselling also, and there are few people who are thinking about manufacturing also.
Manufacturing.
Right. So we are interested to work with company like Sapco because we have a huge presence. So if you could brief us about that, how do you work and how we can collaborate or our group can collaborate with you? What are the possibilities? That's what we would like to hear from you, sir.
Give the details of these companies because I need to know the each and every companies whether they are manufacturer, whether they are trader. So I need all the details. Then only we can.
Can you brief us about your company? I mean, your products,
Sapco
your
is a
portfolios.
28 years old company. It's a family-owned company.
Okay.
We are one of the leading food service distributor in Dubai.
We are not in the retail.
The retail, we supply to the most of the high-end hotels, the five-star hotels, the airlines like Emirates, Etihad, all the airlines,
Okay.
as well as the high-end catering companies.
Okay. High-end companies you supply
And
to
we export to more than
60 countries. But and you must be buying from many countries then, right? Obviously.
Yes,
Right.
we do import from most of the countries,
Most
all over the world.
Yeah. So from India, what are the major products?
From India, we used to buy the rice, pickles,
Okay.
peanut butters, jerkins,
Okay.
jalapenos,
Yes.
many items.
Many items.
Many items. Even the frozen corn on the cob, corn in can.
Right. So basically, frozen also you must have a good chain,
Yeah,
supply
but I'm
chain.
not handling the frozen side. I'm handling the dry side, but
Dry
we
side.
do the
Right.
frozen as well.
So I mean, let's say we have some manufacturers, small manufacturers. They can also get a type with your company.
Yeah.
Okay.
There is no issue if it's they are a good manufacturer, whether it's a big or small, it's not an
It doesn't
issue.
matter. Okay.
It doesn't matter, and the quality is the important.
Okay.
If they can give a good quality products with
Right.
a good price.
Yes. So then, what should be the procedure? Shall we come here with the samples, rates, and
Yeah,
everything?
first of all, you can send me the company profile and the
Catalogs,
details.
yes.
Catalogs. Then we will check whether do we have any interest or not, whether any requirement or not.
Okay.
Yeah, first we will analyze that one. Then we can tell whether we need samples or not.
Okay. So is there any procedure like registering like a vendor and then all, doing the formalities?
Yeah,
Is
yeah,
there investment for that?
First of all, I told you I need the email.
Yes.
Then I will check whether I have any requirement.
Okay.
Then I will ask the samples.
Okay.
Then if it's samples approved, then only we can go the further level.
Right. Let's say if product is good and you approved that, then what will be the commercials? How does
The commercials, first of all, I will tell you the quantity.
Okay.
Then whether you can supply that quantity and whether you can do the private label or not.
Okay.
Normally, we used to do the most of the items in our own branch.
Okay.
So private. If you are willing to do that one, we can talk about the minimum order quantity, how will be, what will be the payment terms, and what is the lead time. All these details, the commercial side, we can discuss.
Anything you are supplying to India because there are few importers also, so they are also looking for good brands which may
so
have
that
demand in India.
I told you, we are exporting to more than 60 countries.
Yes.
But I'm not handling the export side.
Okay.
So I don't know what are the items we are exporting to India. But we do.
We do. Okay, you do. This is an Indian-based company.
This is Indian-based
Indian-based company, right? But based in UAE mostly, right?
Yes, yes.
Dubai.
We have office in France. We have office in UK. We have office in Singapore.
Yeah.
Malaysia, Seychelles.
Yeah.
Many countries.
Right. So this is the business
And
model.
now we started in US also.
US also. Great. So this is the business model potential. These such companies are there, and we can get associated with them. You also deal in like Indian sweets and that kind of things, or food, packaged food. Like Indian sweets are there, like let's say gulab jamun is there in tin.
At present, we are not importing, but in future maybe because we are the fast growing company.
Okay, great.
But maybe today we are not doing, but we don't know what we will do in tomorrow.
Tomorrow, right? How we are seeing now world market, because recently there were some positive, negative sentiment.
No, it's if you talk about the world market, it's a positive side. It's everything going good. Yeah.
And
We are facing some issues due to the war and all, but it's a progressive market.
Progressive market. What about this UAE market?
So compared to the other markets, it's one of the very good market and progressive, and it's increasing. The government is also supporting
Right.
much to increase the volume and increasing the increase to not only the volume, it's business wise and the
from all perspectives.
All perspectives.
Right. Let's say if someone supply you the food product, let's say for UAE market, how many days you pay generally? I mean, any in general?
Our the main payment terms it's a 60 to 90 days
Okay.
from the
For
arrival.
exporter.
From the arrival.
From arrival.
Yeah, that's also already we are getting from the supplier side. We are not
Okay.
negotiating it. They are ready to give that.
Okay.
And only few suppliers they have need some. That means they ask the payment is upon the arrival, the CID basis.
Yes.
Rest all we do the credit basis.
Okay.
60 days open credit. There is no LC, there is no bank guarantee.
Okay, but then is trade finance available for those kind of deals?
They can get the insurance coverage.
Okay.
Most of the companies from the Europe, they didn't ask us.
Okay.
They are already they are giving the 60 days or 90 days credit. They are not asking
Right.
any payment terms or anything. They openly they are telling you can get 60 days or 90 days credit.
Yeah, that's fine. But is there any banking or financial institutions who are supporting this trade? Let's say I supply to you, I get a GRN. Can I get funded against that? I mean, trade against that?
We are not doing that. I told you, there is no bank guarantee, there is no LC. We don't do that because
this
we
is
are
the-
getting open credit from the suppliers and
Suppliers.
their suppliers are ready to give.
Okay.
And why we need to go with that kind of? If you want to see our booth in hall number 6,
Yeah, hall number six. Opposite this?
C690.
Zabil Hall or which
No,
hall?
this just
This hall,
opposite side.
in
Yeah.
pavilion only. no?
Yeah.
Yes, we will see. Any question here or any product you want to discuss about it? No. Do you work in maize?
Which one?
Maize, yellow corn.
Maize.
Yellow
Maize,
corn.
we have our own packing division, so I can give the details. But no need to give me the catalog because I cannot carry the catalog.
Yeah.
So you just
will
WhatsApp me.
send you-
I have given the card. No, you can just WhatsApp me the details or send me the email, so I can forward to the concerned team.
Yes.
Do you deal in turmeric?
We have our own packing division. Sentinel. It's called
We have
Sentinel.
a packing division.
Packing
So do
division.
you procure it from India?
At present, we are not importing, but in future maybe if we have a good consumption, we can import.
Well, it means you buy locally here?
Yeah, sometimes. I am not handling that procurement, so I can check with my team whether they are importing, they are bringing assorted container. I don't know. I have to check.
Yes.
Sir, we
Yes.
are doing the private labeling in India. Or we are sending USA in
Spices and
Patel Brothers. Do you know the?
Yeah, Patel.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So we are a private labeling job.
So
doing in
you
Ahmedabad.
just WhatsApp me,
Okay.
so I can share the concerned person details. Yeah, yes.
So sir, when do we contact you for this?
You can contact any time. No, there is no turmeric. You can contact after the show. No.
After the show, next week.
Next week.